Imagine a time when mammoth creatures roamed the earth, their woolly bodies a testament to the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. The woolly mammoth, a colossal, shaggy species of elephant, once ruled the tundra, its very existence a marvel of adaptation and survival. Yet, like many of nature's wonders, it fell prey to the relentless march of time and vanished from our world, leaving behind only traces in the permafrost. The mammoth was not alone in its disappearance. The dodo bird, a flightless marvel from the island of Mauritius, also met a similar fate. These creatures, once abundant, are now nothing more than tales in the annals of natural history, their roles in the ecosystem lost, their absence keenly felt. But what if these majestic creatures could walk our world again? An innovative biotech company, Colossal Biosciences, is daring to imagine just that. Their audacious vision? To resurrect these long-extinct species, and in doing so, to potentially revolutionize our understanding of life, survival, and adaptation. It's a bold dream, teetering on the edge of science fiction, yet grounded in cutting-edge science. But then, isn't that the nature of all great leaps forward? At the helm of this ambitious endeavor is George Church, a renowned geneticist from Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This pioneering scientist, with his cutting-edge knowledge and unwavering determination, co-founded Colossal Biosciences. This Dallas-based startup is now valued at a staggering $1.5 billion, and it's carving its name into history with its groundbreaking research. Church and his team are not just creating a new form of science, they're crafting a dream that extinct species might one day walk the earth again. The woolly mammoth, the dodo bird, and other creatures lost to time might return, not as echoes of a bygone era, but as living, breathing testaments to the power and potential of genetic engineering. Church once said, "This is probably the most significant step in the early stages of this project." Indeed, the creation of these long-sought stem cells is an undeniable milestone. It's not just about bringing back the mammoth or the dodo, it's about understanding the biology of these creatures, potentially aiding the conservation of endangered species, and pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. With his team, Church is breaking boundaries in the field of genetic engineering. This is far more than a scientific endeavor. It's a journey into the unknown, a voyage of discovery, and a testament to the power of human innovation. Resurrecting an extinct species may sound like science fiction, but the team at Colossal Biosciences is turning it into reality. In the quest to bring back extinct species, the creation of a stem cell for the closest living relative of the woolly mammoth is a significant milestone. This stem cell is not just any regular cell, it's essentially a blank slate, capable of becoming any type of cell, from a nerve cell to a heart muscle cell, and everything in between. By successfully reprogramming elephant stem cells, the team at Colossal Biosciences has unlocked a new level of understanding of mammoth biology. But how does one go from a stem cell to a full-fledged woolly mammoth? That's where cloning and genetic engineering techniques come into play. Cloning involves making an exact genetic copy of an organism. In this case, scientists are essentially taking the genetic material of a woolly mammoth and inserting it into the egg of an elephant, its closest living relative. The egg would then be implanted into a surrogate elephant mother. On the other hand, genetic engineering is a bit more complex. It involves editing the genes of an organism to bring about desired traits. In the case of the mammoth, scientists are taking genes from mammoth DNA and incorporating them into the DNA of an elephant. This will create a creature that is part elephant, part mammoth, with the physical characteristics of a mammoth such as long, shaggy hair, a hump of fat for surviving Arctic conditions, and curved tusks. This isn't just about resurrecting a creature from the Ice Age, though. The implications of this research go far beyond that. Advances in genetic engineering could open doors to conserving endangered species and maintaining biodiversity. Imagine being able to strengthen the genetic diversity of endangered species, or even resurrect species on the brink of extinction. It's a fascinating time in the field of biosciences, as we teeter on the brink of making what was once deemed impossible, possible. The creation of this stem cell is a significant leap forward in making the dream of de-extinction a reality. The implications of de-extinction are vast, from biodiversity conservation to aiding endangered species. Imagine a world where the woolly mammoth roams the tundra once again, or where the call of the Tasmanian tiger echoes through the Australian wilderness. These are the dreams that fuel the revolutionary work being done at Colossal Biosciences. The benefits of this project extend far beyond the resurrection of extinct species. The breakthrough in creating reprogrammed elephant stem cells, for instance, could lead to advancements in understanding elephant gestation and developmental biology. This insight is invaluable, as it could potentially aid in the conservation of existing endangered elephant species, and even offer a lifeline to those on the brink of extinction. But the dream is not without its hurdles. The mammoth task, pun intended, of turning these stem cells into cells from the extinct species is one of the significant challenges that the team at Colossal Biosciences faces. It's a complex process that requires a deep understanding of the biology of these long-gone species, and the ability to replicate that in a lab setting. It's a scientific tightrope walk, balancing on the cutting edge of what's possible. And yet, despite these challenges, the team is undeterred. Their commitment to this project, to the dream of de-extinction, is unwavering. They understand that this is not a sprint but a marathon that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to face and overcome the inevitable obstacles that lie ahead. The road to de-extinction is long and fraught with challenges, but the team at Colossal Biosciences is committed to the journey. They're not just scientists, they are visionaries, pioneers on a quest to rewrite the rules of nature and bring back what was once lost. Their work is a testament to the power of science, the insatiable human curiosity, and our enduring desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. This groundbreaking work has the potential to rewrite our understanding of life and extinction. Imagine a world where the woolly mammoth roams again, where the dodo bird flutters amongst the trees. It's a vision that Colossal Biosciences is tirelessly working to manifest. The milestones they've reached, the creation of the long-sought kind of stem cell for the mammoth's closest living relative, this is just the beginning. But they can't do it alone. They need the collective curiosity of the world, people like you and me, to fuel their journey. So, let's dive deeper. Let's learn more. Let's keep ourselves updated with their progress, their breakthroughs, and their challenges. This isn't just science, it's a revolution that could bring back the marvels of a world long lost. We are on the brink of something extraordinary, something colossal. And you, yes you, can be part of this incredible journey. So, let's step into the future while embracing the past. Let's be part of a story being written in the annals of life itself. Join Colossal Biosciences in their journey to unlock the mysteries of extinct species and reshape the future of our world.